Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Revolut disposable cards for online shopping. Revolut is a digital banking app that offers a range of features to help you manage your finances securely and efficiently. One of these features is the disposable card, which allows you to generate a unique card number for each online transaction, adding an extra layer of security to your online shopping. To get started, you will need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you have installed the app, create an account and go through the verification process. This will involve providing some personal details and verifying your identity. After your account is set up, navigate to the Cards section of the app. Here, you will see an option to create a disposable card. Tap on this option and follow the prompts to generate a new card number. You can choose the type of card you want to create, such as a virtual card or a physical card, and set a spending limit for the card. When you generate a disposable card, Revolut will provide you with a unique card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use this information to make online purchases, just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. The key benefit of a disposable card is that it is only valid for a single transaction. So even if the card details are compromised, they cannot be used for any further transactions. To use your disposable card for online shopping, simply enter the card details at the checkout, just as you would with a regular card. Make sure to keep track of your disposable cards and the transactions you have made with each one, as you will need to refer back to this information if you need to make a return or dispute a transaction. It is also important to note that disposable cards are subject to the same terms and conditions as regular Revolut cards, so make sure you understand the fees and charges associated with using the card. Additionally, be aware that some merchants may not accept disposable cards, so it is always a good idea to check with the merchant before making a purchase. In conclusion, setting up Revolut disposable cards for online shopping is a simple and secure way to protect your financial information when making online transactions. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can generate a unique card number for each transaction and add an extra layer of security to your online shopping. Remember to always keep track of your disposable cards and transactions, and be aware of the terms and conditions associated with using the card.